welcome. I hope that you are doing good and staying healthy as we are in the midst of this coronavirus pandemic. So my thoughts and my prayers are with you. If you happen to be new here, I am Chef Christy, and on this channel, I share a wide variety of delicious recipes every single week. So please subscribe if you have not already, and if you hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So the recipe that I'm going to share with you today is very simple with just a few basic ingredients. It's also very inexpensive to make, and it is for a Hungarian cabbage and noodles. So my father-in-law is a first-generation Hungarian American, and he said that this dish was something that his mom made all the time. I'm going to try to pronounce it kapustás testa. I think that's how he said that she pronounced it. I've seen it other names. I think it was called haluska, maybe, is what I saw. And actually, in doing research on this dish, I saw that it was made a lot during the Great Depression. And I think that was just because of the very basic ingredients. It's very inexpensive. So let me go over these ingredients with you. Okay, so you will need a head of cabbage, and I'm using about a medium-sized head of cabbage, and then some egg noodles, an onion, and some butter. And then this is your optional part. I'm using bacon today, but you could use pancetta or even kielbasa would be really good. Or if you wanted to go vegetarian, you could just completely omit the meat altogether, and then salt and pepper. And that is all there is to this dish. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fry up my bacon. And I have 8 slices of bacon that I've just chopped up. And I've got a large cast iron skillet. So I'm just going to begin to fry up my bacon. Okay, so next I'm going to cut up my onion. And I'm just going to make a large dice. I'm not going to make small dice, just big chunks. Once your bacon is cooked, I'm just going to remove it from the skillet and place it on a plate. So next I have a large pot of water, and I'm bringing it up to a boil, and I'm going to salt generously. So when you do this is what flavors your pasta, so don't be stingy with your salt. Okay, so now I'm going to add my noodles, but I do want to tell you that how many you use is completely up to you, and it really just depends on how you want your dish. If you want a lot of noodles and maybe you're feeding, say, 6 to 8 people, then you might want to use this whole bag. If you want kind of equal portions between noodle and cabbage, then you might want to use, say, half the bag. And that's what I'm going to do today. And now I'm going to cut up my cabbage. Now I'm just going to kind of go in at an angle and remove this core. Then I'm just going to make large slices. So to my skillet, I'm going to add a half a stick of butter. So now I'm going to saute up my onion. Once your onion starts to soften, now I'm going to add my cabbage. And I'm using this whole head. I know this looks like a lot, but it will cook down. I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add some black pepper. And since I've drained my noodles, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of butter and toss the noodles in that butter just to keep them from sticking while we wait on our cabbage to cook. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of water, just about maybe a cup or so. This will just speed this cabbage up some cooking time. Okay, my cabbage has been cooking for about 15 minutes or so, but can you see how it has some nice caramelization, and that's what you want. This is just a fried cabbage. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my bacon. And I'm also going to add my egg noodles. And then I'm just going to stir everything together. And now I'm going to pour this into a nice, pretty bowl. Oh my goodness, this is such a delicious and hearty meal by using just very simple and basic ingredients. And I am serving it alongside some fried apples. This is so good. Oh my goodness, I really hope that you all give this a try. That is amazing. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a very happy Easter, and I will see you soon.